Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a group on Facebook. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Facebook app. So I'm going to open it. Now simply we have to go to the menu section. So I'm going to click on the menu section here. And as you can see now, you will be able to see the third option, groups here. So we have to click on the groups here. And now simply we have to click on this plus icon and we have to click on this create a group option. And after clicking on that, as you can see now, we have to provide the group name here. For example, I'm gonna provide the name His6 Digital Services. And now simply we have to choose the privacy here. I'm gonna make it public here. And now simply we have to click on this create group. And after that, our group will be created. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now, the group is created. Now we have to provide some details of the group. We have to invite them and we have to add some other details. For example, I'm gonna click on the next here. And as you can see, let's click on the next and we have to provide this information, then click on the next again. So as you can see now, the group is created here. So in this way you can create a group on the Facebook. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.